It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hey Scotty, just want to say thanks for having me on the show. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to show my 1982 Corvette. I feel it's a special car. It's the last year of the C3 body style. Chevy was busy working on a new body style, totally transformed for 1984. There was no Corvette built in 1983. In 1984, they introduced the C4, so that's why this car is special. It's the last of its breed with a few surprises. This is one of 25,407, and in 1982, for $22,000, you could own one of these. For the first time since 1965, this Vette was a Fuelie. The 350 small block was fitted with a computer-controlled twin throttle body crossfire injection, and only optional with automatic turbo hydromatic 4-speed only. The car has 200 horsepower, 285 foot-pounds of torque, 9-to-1 compression. But the car moves. The car is geared for low-end ratio, and it's got a lot of bottom-end torque. Okay, so here's the car. Let me show you a couple of things about it. Well, I guess one of the things that, you know, making 82 what an 82 really is the fact that back in 82, we had T-tops. T-tops are kind of cool because it gives you the freedom of having a convertible without really having a convertible. So you could drive around, take the tops off, and kind of enjoy the weather when it's nice out. Let me show you the engine here. So she starts right up. One turn key. This car's all original. The Survivor. Had one paint job, which I did about 2 years ago. Otherwise, the interior of the car is exactly as is from the factory. I mean, the thing I really like about it is the simplicity of what they did back in the day. I mean, if you look at it as prehistoric as it could be, I mean, you have straps holding in your car, T-tops. I mean, there's not even any Velcro or buttons that hold it down, so when you're driving back here, your T-tops slide around, which is, you know, it's kind of cool. You know? I mean, the interior is, every gauge is working, everything works. The only thing I did was I changed the radio, because I like to listen to, you know, music. Everything else is the way it was from the day it came out of the factory. Kind of cool. Car's running on 57,000. I got it. It had 53. So I put some miles on it. Hey guys, so one of the other cool things I like to show about the car is 1982. As in all Vettes, they have these, you know, these hidden lights, which are really, really cool. So this is what, you know, really makes a Corvette what a Corvette is. It's all these little kind of like futuristic things that make it really, really cool. So one of the cool things that made me want to buy this car when I bought it a few years ago was I knew it was well maintained and well taken care of, obviously. But what I came to find was really, really cool is that I have the original owner's manual. I mean, original from the factory. I mean, I'm the second owner, so this guy really took care of this customer's garage kept car. I have the actual 1982 Chevy new car warranty paper that was bought from the dealer, from the original owner. He kept all the paperwork. I have the original build sheet. So this car is definitely well maintained, and I do the same. I keep this car in the garage. It's a weekend car. I didn't put too many miles on it. But you know, just having stuff like this and being able to look at the history of this stuff, you know, it's really, really something else. It's like a time capsule. Yeah, I really dig it, man. I really like the whole idea of the Vet. I really like the whole idea of the 80s and how everything was just kind of put together for its time and era. It's just a time capsule.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!